Alright guys, as you can see my NES is all set up right here. Now I'm going to start with trying Super Mario Brothers and Duck Hunt. So we slide it in. Now if you guys will notice that I didn't even push it down, that's because I've discovered that with a new 72-pin connector, NESs tend to work this way. They work so well I don't even have to push the cartridge down. So I'm going to try playing with the cartridge like this. As you can see, the 72-pin connector, while cleaning the NES games at the same time, has had a really good effect on my NES cartridges because now they've been working perfectly. And I'm very proud of it, and I don't even have to blow into the cartridges now. This will also have a good effect on my NES in the future. Now I can play my games as much as I wish and not worry about them freezing or anything like that. There's the old Super Mario Brothers main screen. Now let's try Donkey Kong 3. Because I also had to clean that. Now I already tested these games last night. Super Mario Brothers worked just fine, but I wasn't very proud of Donkey Kong 3. I may have to clean Donkey Kong 3. I'm not sure if it's going to work now. Maybe I need to put it more tightly in there. Yeah, Donkey Kong 3 has been having some problems because all I get is a green screen when I turn it on. So I feel that something might be wrong with Donkey Kong 3. I may have my doubts about if maybe I cleaned it correctly or something, I don't know. But until then, I may have to actually push it down, unlike the other games, just to get working. In fact, maybe just a little, and then oh, that didn't work either. Maybe try sliding it to the right then. Left, I mean. Crap, Donkey Kong 3 doesn't seem to be working right now. It's a shame. I wish I could bring back those memories of Donkey Kong 3 that many of you people who grew up in the 80s all enjoy. It's a shame. Well, I showed you guys what I wanted to show, so it seemed to work with Super Mario Brothers and Duck Hunt, but it didn't work with Donkey Kong 3 because I may have to try re-cleaning Donkey Kong 3. If that's the case, if I did not try hard enough cleaning it. But anyway, that's all I wanted to show you guys, so thank you for watching. I am Multiclassic Gamer signing out. And look forward for part 2 of my NES review. I will do that very soon. In fact, don't expect to wait long. You may expect to see this video sometime next week or the week after. I don't know. I just need to make sure all my NES games are working before I do it. But thank you for watching this. I am Multiclassic Gamer signing out.